is Ryman Gamer. For today, I restart all over again from my battle cast cause it's lag and it's outdated. I'm in version 10.4.1 right now. And the battle rises. Wow! That cut. I know that cut. So today we will gonna start playing this game. Well, actually. We defeated all the countries here. This is harder than I thought. There's a kangaroo with one in red moon, not triangle. I don't know how to say that thing again. What? What do you? Yeah. Super rare. Not too much. This is the one we need to check. Gonna check a thing for a while. Which one? Problem here is let's upgrade something here. Power. Research increase cat production speed. Increasing the amount of XP received when clearing a stage. Nice one. We will upgrade that. This one again. This one again. And the health? Oh, we ran out. There. So, why are we back in Colombia again? Let's go to menu, not triangle. Yeah. Max it up. That's new. I don't want to use it. Oh. Do I have energy to destroy that thing? I got no choice. I don't want to use anyway, but I want to use it. Oh no. Oh my. Oh, oh no, there's the kangaroo here for sure. For sure it's the kangaroo's one. If you're starting to make... You'll start damaging this airplane. For today, we'll stick about the giant. Keep going. Oh, I did it. I know you can do it. I know you can target practice them. Look at them. Look at those dogs and snakes. We need to fall our thing. What Let's wait until it's done. Oh my. Please don't reach. Why is this guy so slow to target practice? Come on, almost there. Come on, get in the line. Yeah, I'll just do it. Okay. Wait, we're almost 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're full. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Let's see. I'm just watching you. Liberty flag. No! Too early! Too early. Go, go, keep going. War! War! Must destroy the kangaroo. I don't like this kangaroo. I want the kangaroo to be gone. The flag of... Oh, it's dead. That's early. Keep going, units. Destroy that flag. Never mind the flag, please. Wow. Boom. We defeated. Yeah. Okay. defeated Bermuda Triangle, which I can't say it properly. Oh, no way. I want to upgrade. What am I using unit here? Okay, we upgrade that. I don't want that. I don't know. I want to upgrade. I want. Oh, so many units to upgrade here. Let's go back. Oh, we can upgrade that. These two. Yes, I'm rich. I wish I can find something here. Jamaica. Oh, we'll destroy Jamaica. There we are. Which I can't say it. Jamaica? Jamaica. Jamaica. I can't say it too much, viewers. Oh wow, nice hair. That's a beautiful hair. Oh, nice lady. She's using an axe for no reason. Look! This is the weirdest game I have ever tested in my whole life. Just watch it for a while. I think the Jeremiah cutting is starting to be gone. Slowly but slowly. Yes. 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 Please don't summon an elephant. It's too early for my Jamaica. Jamaica. Do Jamaica summon elephants? Do they have elephants? They don't want elephants. Yeah. Yeah. That's the spot. Where's the flagman? I thought I summoned him. Summon the flag! Liberty! Oh wait, we destroyed. Third. New cut. Is that new? Does it says new? Anyway, I will make another video again to start. Okay. That's weird. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll again make my video soon, I think. But guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my video and ring that notification bell so that you won't forget my other videos. And subscribe for Stampede and his fun. That's it, I think. Goodbye and peace out, viewers.